Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture field again. We're going to take up the Arrows 55 millimeter Viper jet and see what we can do with her. Oh yeah. Great slow flight characteristics, that's for sure. I'll keep reaching for my imaginary rudder that I don't have.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, what a great flying little jet. Now I'm running an 1800 milliamp 3-cylinder. What a nice flying little jet, very stable, very predictable.
You go from backwoods flyer to jet jockey.
Yeah, just this nice little jet, little park flyer. Real simple, very stable when it's slow. Well, okay. All right, folks. Take her up again.
Low rate, high rate.
This is just a great little jet. I need to go in there and change the control surfaces before I can get some more deflection. So I'm running an Admiral Stability Plus receiver in her now, because I figure she's such a small little jet that the wind help, the wind gyro would be very beneficial. And it's a little bit of a wind today, so this definitely is beneficial for her. And nice little plane though. Probably looks like a speck on the video right now though. No motor right now, just gliding by. Starting to bleed off some speed here. Bring her in for a landing. Well, anyways, there it is, folks. That's the Arrows 55 millimeter little sport jet Viper. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.